Running this 2017 Evinrude E-TEC 15 horse HO, the high output. Model number and stuff on it. So on this engine, I replaced the thermostat, all the gaskets, cleaned out all the corrosion and crap out of there, removed the side cover, replaced the spark plugs and indexed them. Do that. On these E-TECs, you have to index the spark plug, which means they have to be within a certain degrees. The front of the spark plug has to be within a certain degrees in front of the injector. So that's indexing the spark plugs on the E-TEC. New gear oil and new water pump kit. I cleaned and lubed everything down there and all that fun stuff. But I've been running this engine for a while. I have my computer hooked up to it. That's the current temperature, engine temperature. That's the highest that it's gotten. That's the time on the engine, the EMM time. This is your EMM. Yeah, a whole bunch of random info. Key on time, different stuff like that. I've been running this engine for a little bit to make sure it's not getting hot like it was, because on the faults, this is what was popping up. So like I said, I've been running the engine for a while now. It's at 148 hours and 23 minutes. And so at 148 hours and 9 minutes, the engine temperature, crap, just click on that. And this is what it says. It says check thermostat and pressure relief valve, which I already did. I was at the engine temperature at 183.2 degrees at 2,792 RPMs. This one right here, engine temperature above range. But this one up here is the main one. So this one right here, engine temperature over range. That's how hot it got. It's 239 degrees Fahrenheit, and it was at trolling, basically 967 RPMs, but it got hot, 239 degrees. So, like I said, I've been running this engine for a while. See, got warmer since the last time. I've been keeping an eye on the temperature and stuff. I checked the pressure relief valve. I replaced the O-ring on it and all that fun stuff. It's functional. Replaced the thermostat, gaskets, cleaned out the corrosion and crap inside there. It's climbing right now. That's the minimum and maximum current RPMs, minimum and maximum. And in neutral, you could only give these so much throttle and stuff. That's the minimum and maximum temperature down below. It's weird because when I first started the video is when it started going back down in temperature. Now it's going up. Run this engine longer and see how hot it will get at idle before it goes back down again. This is where the thermostat is and stuff on this. It is pretty warm. So I'm gonna stop this video and I'm gonna pull the thermostat back out of it and see what the heck's going on inside there. That thermostat definitely should be opening up. RPMs are picking up by itself a little bit. It's definitely getting hotter. I'm gonna turn this engine off and see what's going on.